This is what Regents have looked like for years and years, to find distance between 2 points using the distance formula. Not real hard. A couple days ago, in late April of 2014, the state released Common Core sample items. So let's look at the first one. There were 3 multiple choice released and 8 long answers. So let's look at the first one. The first one looks like this. What are the coordinates of a point on the directed line segment that partition the segment into a ratio of 3 to 2? So this is much, much harder. I labeled the answers A, B, C, and D because 1, 2, 3, 4 is just hard with numbers, and I always wish the Regents would use A, B, C, D. What you can see is that part D segments, or rather partitions the segment into a 3 to 2 ratio. You can kind of see that with your eye. Now look at how they solve it. They didn't solve it graphically, and they don't provide graph paper when you take this question, as far as I know. So here's what they did. They found the difference between the x coordinates and the difference between the y coordinates. And they then took 3/5 of each of that distance and added them to the original coordinate, the coordinates of -5, -4. This is a much, much harder question than what's been asked in the past. And what's happening is that as the standards are going up with Common Core, the questions are getting harder. If you're interested in seeing them, go to engagenewyork.org and download the sample items. And go take also a look at the algebra items. There were 2 sets that came out this past school year. Hoping that modules will come out soon. There's only so far 1 module for geometry. There are now 5 for algebra, so hoping there are more of them. So go check that out and take a look at what math used to be and what its future is. Thank you very much.